Clogged rim holes under your toilet bowl can seriously mess with your flush and drive you nuts if you don't fix it right. So, here's the deal. Those little rim holes under the toilet bowl spray water during a flush to clean the bowl, but over time they get gunked up with mineral deposits, grime, or even mold. First off, grab a wire hanger or a small brush and carefully poke through each hole to clear the buildup. If that feels too sketchy, pour some white vinegar around the rim and let it soak for at least an hour. Vinegar breaks down mineral deposits like a boss. After soaking, flush a few times to rinse everything out. You can repeat this process once a month to keep things flowing smoothly. Avoid harsh chemicals since they might damage your toilet's finish or pipes. Also, keep an eye on water hardness in your area. If it's super hard, consider installing a water softener. Little maintenance like this saves you from big headaches and costly plumbing bills later on. One of the biggest mistakes people make with clogged rim holes is ignoring the problem until the flush gets weak or stops working right. Don't wait, start cleaning early. Another major issue is using metal tools that are too thick or aggressive, which can damage the holes and cause leaks. So stick to thin wire or soft brushes. Lastly, some folks rely on harsh chemical cleaners thinking they'll fix the clog quickly, but these can eat away at your toilet's parts or mess with your plumbing system. Vinegar and gentle manual cleaning is way safer and just as effective. BigHomeProjects.com is a great spot if you're hunting for trusted local contractors who actually know their stuff and won't ghost you halfway through. Plus, if you're a contractor looking for solid work, BigHomeProjects.com helps you connect with homeowners ready to get projects done, making it a win-win for everyone.